and welcome to this PMF how-to, which will show you how to set up content in drill menus. This how-to will cover an actions topic. While performing analysis in PMF content, you may have noticed the list of content available that appears on a universal drill. These lists are available for most clickable names and values, measures or KPIs, objectives or goals, and risks, projects and tasks, perspectives, and themes. PMF provides content menus by default, but you can configure the menus to your liking with a few clicks. All content shown in the menus is set up in PMF's content management system, so adding new items to menus relies on you setting up the content items for them. You can control the content that is visible from a drill in PMF using the Content tab in each respective panel. For example, we will be setting up content for a measure. First, let's open an existing measure. Go to the Author page, click Measures, and click Profit. In the Measure panel for Profit, click the Content tab. Here, you can see that there are two menus at the metric level. One when you click the name of the metric, and one when you click the actual data value for the metric. The items that are shown for both are the default values selected by PMF. Let's say we want to see the summary of projects linked to a measure when we click a measure name. You can either select an item from the drop-down menu or type its name in the link content box. We are going to pick Project Summary from the content list and move it up higher in the menu by dragging it. Looking over this list, we realize that we no longer need to see the related properties for this measure. We can remove it by clicking the Remove icon next to it. We will save our changes in the panel. If we go back to the dashboard and click on Profit, we can see that our changes were applied. One thing to note is that changing the content menus for a specific measure does not make that change for every measure. If we click Sales, Project Summary is not listed, and we can still see the Related Properties option. If we want the content menu to become the default for every measure drill, we need to set it as such. To set the default menus for a measure name or value, go to the Content tab and click the Save as Default button. This will make that menu the default for any metric that does not already have a specific menu configured. As you can see, PMF provides content menus by default, but you can configure the menus to your liking with a few clicks. Here's where to go for more information.